Trying to charge a device in your Ford F150, but the power outlet suddenly stops working? Many drivers notice this issue when a phone charger, air pump, laptop adapter, or other accessory no longer receives power from the truck outlet. Sometimes the outlet works for a short time and suddenly stops, while other times it seems completely unresponsive even though the vehicle runs normally. This issue can happen because of blown fuses, power interruptions, outlet overload, or temporary electrical communication problems inside the truck. Before assuming the outlet completely stopped working or replacing accessories immediately, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore the Ford F150 power outlet properly. 1. Turn off the Ford F150 completely and remove anything currently plugged into the power outlet. 2. Test the outlet with another compatible device to confirm the issue is not accessory related. 3. Check the Ford F150 fuse box and inspect the power outlet fuse for any interruption. 4. Restart the truck and allow the electrical system a moment to refresh after checking the fuse. 5. Plug a device into the outlet again and confirm whether power returns normally during operation.